Today is August the 9th, 2021. Hildebrand Machinery Company, and this is the 618 Chevalier surface grinder 20164. Wayne's our operator today. Wayne, let me trade sides with you here and just roll the table back and forth. See how easy it wants to roll. Just kind of let her go free. And the table's, it's a ball bearing table. That's in good shape. And we'll do that's good and tight. Now we can turn her on, open the door there and turn her on. That's what she sounds like. Alright, we'll close that. And you'll see the variable speed chuck, variable power chuck. That all seems to work as it should. And that's pretty much what she does. If you have any questions, give us a call.